Guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to Sydney Motorsport Park as well for World Time Attack. And if you guys aren't aware of what World Time Attack is, Australia's biggest World Time Attack challenge. I mean, there's drifting, there's time attack cars, there's big shops that go and pretty much go head to head with pro racing, pro drivers, international guests like Spoon, Liberty Walk. We'll all be attending today, show and shine. So we're going to do a nice walk around today, a bit of cinematic shots, and show you guys kind of what Sydney Motorsport Park World Time Attack is about for 2025. Another super clean Evo. This is really nice. about it for our World Time Attack little walk around. Hope you guys enjoyed that too. It was nothing too long, but got a chance to see a lot of the nice Time Attack cars, and see a lot of the OG drift cars as well, so like Team Burst and MCR. So really nice to pretty much see just nice cars all together in one place again. So it wasn't too long, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. I'll probably be mixing this into more of a vlog style video, so I didn't do too much talking, but I hope you guys can kind of still get an idea of how the event went anyway. So it was really sick to see Liberty Walk. It was really cool to see a lot of the purpose-built Time Attack cars. So yeah, I had a blast, and it was a really nice day again. I can say it was a really nice day outside. Can't complain. It's a beautiful day, beautiful cars, and grabbed some photos. Did a little bit of cinematic, not too much, but I hope the video puts it together pretty nicely and you guys get a good idea of how the World Time Attack 2025 was. But yeah, definitely worth it. Had a blast. Can't wait for next year. I just wish my car's done. Both my WRX is kind of off the road. We're going to be doing something for that car in this video as well, and my 34 will be hooked up in the next video.